Hey guys, it is your boy Cerbreezy1226 here, formerly known as Cerbreezy844. Got a little different video for you guys today, and it is on a Honda Civic socket harness repair kit. Okay, this is basically the socket and of course the wiring that goes into your turn signal. However, the car that my family owns, which is a 1993 Honda Civic, has been having some lighting issues. And so, I'll show you what that lighting issue in a moment. Mainly because I just wanted to say these are really not that inexpensive to get replaced. Because they're like $17 on eBay. Well, $17.25, I believe. But either way, this is going to be a challenge for me to basically put this back in. Because one, the socket turn signal light itself, however, these three wires like popped out and only the middle, I believe, is still in the socket itself. So now I'm going to take you outside and bring you to the car and show you what I mean. And basically I'll show you how to repair it later on after I get all the actual tools.